Good morning. It's Easter Sunday, April 17th. And I am out here and I changed locations. This is deep in the woods. Beautiful. Formations in between some ice from yesterday. Found this log area here. Let's see what I can get here. Snow on Easter? What's that about? Hopefully you all didn't plant your plants and you got frost and snow. I did a few wildflowers, but nothing else really. A lot of ice. I really love the natural backgrounds. I mean, glass is really nice, but I mean, that's just so cool because you get a twofer. You get the wood or the moss and the snowflake. Oh my god, I see a really good one. So I am going to try to get it. I might have to switch over from camera. Oh, did it fall? Shoot! It fell. It was hanging on the edge too. I wanted you to hear the woodpecker. There's a couple of them. Let's see while we look if we can hear him. There he is. I love living in the woods and the mountains. So I missed that really beautiful one. It was like hanging on the edge and I knocked it. It just enough. It was so on the edge. But it was beautiful. It was like perfect all around. I think it was kind of like a round plate type. With little ones hanging off the edges. But that's the way it goes. Snowflakes on a spider web. Snowflakes and spiders. Alright, I'm going to try to get some. If I don't do another video, happy Easter. Have a great weekend. Happy spring. Bye.